Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for a Stampin' Up haul. I got 2 boxes today. I put in 2 separate orders, and I was like, oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and show you everything I got. I'm super excited. I got some stuff for me and some stuff for you. So let's dig into it. We're going to dig into the first one because the second box, oh, you're going to want to stick around for that one. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to start off right now. I got 2 of these guys, the sweet samplers. They are the Host stamp set. Say that 5 times fast, right? The Host Sweet Sampler Cling Stamp Set. So you, as a host, if you host a party with me, you can get one of these. But look, I got 2. What does that mean? That means I'm going to be having a bingo soon. And let's go ahead and see what else we've got. I could not pass up these little hearts. At first I was like, I don't need them for Valentine's. I got all my Valentines already. But they are just so adorable. And I didn't know that they were that tiny. In the pictures they look pretty big, but look at them next to my finger and my fingernail. They're tiny, but they're so cute. They're little resin hearts, and they come in white and red. I'm just going to show you all the embellishments, because you guys know embellishments are my thing. The opal rounds. Beautiful. They're totally opal. I may just take them out and like stick them in my ear. Not in my ear, on my ear. And then these, I had to check them out. You guys know I color my pearls, so I know that I could get all these pearl colors, but it's already done for me. So I checked out the pastel pearls set there. What else do I have in here? Oh, this is a whole entire bundle, I think. Let me see. What is this? Okay. Friends are like seashells. So I got the little seashells, right? And then I got the embossing folder that goes with it. Isn't that pretty? And then I got the dies, and the dies cut out this real quick and tell her, can I call you right back? I'm doing a video. You're in my video. It's okay. Okay, bye. So she's like, oh, I'm so sorry. That is a team member of mine. So if I am available, I try and always answer. So I love my team. Okay, this is 12 by 12. I very rarely do 12 by 12, but I am going to be doing a class, and it is going to be with this little thing that I just showed you. So if you are interested in that class, I am going to put all the information in my newsletter that's going to be going out. So make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter. If you are not, just go to beautyandthestamper.com. A little thing will pop up where you can be subscribed to that newsletter, or you can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net newsletter, and I'll get you there too. I got another one of these. That's going to be a prize, and it is called Punch Party. Now, the way you get these is when you host a party for, is it $300 or more? $400. I don't remember. I couldn't even tell you, but we got one. So I have a couple of those, so we're going to use that as a prize. I had to check these out, and look, I just went and got I just went to the eye doctor the other day, and they're like, you need higher. So that's why I'm like holding them so far away you can't even see them, but I can, about that far away. But they are, I'll show you, matte black dots. They're the little pearls painted black, basically. And what else before I get to the awesomeness? Oh, I got a re-inker. This one is the gray granite. I know I needed that. So I picked that one up. This box is kind of done after I show you that I got the thick basic white paper. I got the balmy blue cardstock and Blackberry Bliss cardstock. And I was all out of Blackberry Bliss. I had to borrow a sheet because I am making little like samplers of every card stock color that we have. So if you were interested in something like that, let me know and I will let you know when they are available in my Etsy shop, which should be very soon because I'm working on them right now. All right, we're going to open up the second box. So we got our second box. I've already unboxed it. Well, not unboxed it, but I have already... Oh, I'm so excited. I have already opened it, took out all the bubble wrap and everything. Okay. Do you want a hint? I'll show you the first thing. Nope. There you go. You know what it is? Natural Touch Specialty Paper. Okay, let me tell you what the name of this little set that I got. It is called... Let me see here. It is called the Butterfly Brilliance Collection. So it comes with the 12 by 12. I'll show you what those are. It comes with the butterfly. I'm having a hard time. The Butterfly Brilliance. Is that cute? Guess how many stamps there are? It tells you. It tells you right here. One. That is one stamp. Look at that. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. One stamp. Are we going to take scissors to this one stamp and make 6 stamps? Maybe. But look at this. There's dies. Yes, you better believe that I'm going to open this for you. Because this is cool, right? So we've got the Butterfly Brilliance. And then we're going to open up these. And to be quite honest, I only know one thing. Here we go. Okay, first of all, let me show you this. Butterfly dies. That's going to cut all of that out. All those little pieces are going to get cut out. So you can have those little dies. And then, let me show you. Hold on. We've got, hold on. Okay, I'm not going to show you that one. I'm going to show you this one. We've got other little butterflies. And then we've got like these little guys that make like a little hash. And we got this little guy that makes kind of like a block, right? Looks like you're kind of playing Tetris there. And then you've got this, which I don't know what that does. We'll have to try all of these out. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do like something just on this Butterfly Brilliance Suite or whatever it was called. What was it? Collection. Okay, this is the one I had to show you. Is that amazing? Now watch this. Here is our one stamp, right? We've got one stamp. We've got one die. And then this fits perfectly over that. Do I not have it right? Oh, here we go. I got to get it backwards. Perfectly over those butterflies. Can you see all those butterflies perfectly in there? It's going to cut out those individually. It is going to cut out those individually. I think that is just so cool. So, yes, let me know down below. And then we've got the Butterfly Bijou 6x6 Designer Series paper. How cool is that? Do you want me to open it? All right, we'll open it. Because I want to show you, I believe, I could be making this up in my head, but I think there is some patterned paper You get look at all this pattern paper you get. So much. But guess what? Look at that. It goes the other way as well. Is that so cool? So we have this guy here. Okay, sorry about that. I had somebody at the front door. So I showed you this, and then look at that. Isn't that pretty? Did I show you that already? That's so pretty. And then the next set is like this one, and then we've got the little butterflies. And then oh, this is so pretty. We got this one, and that one. I may have made it up, guys. Let's see. I may have made it up. All right, we've got, this is beautiful though. Isn't that pretty? And then that, what is this? Oh, it's just little orange and white specks. Oh, we got this one. And that one. I think I made it up. We got this one. And then we got that one. Yeah, for some reason. Oh, wait, maybe it's this one. Let's see. Hold, please. I'm going to see if this one fits here. Oh, yes, it does. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, so excited. Isn't that cool? So I am going to do a bingo party based just around the butterfly brilliance. So if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to do a video using these, and then I'm going to do a whole entire package based around it. It is going to be in the annual catalog, but it's going to be available next month to preview. And so with that preview, we're going to be playing bingo. So I think that will be so much fun, and I cannot wait to share more. So again, if you wanted to, oh, you know what else? It's still Celebration. So for every $50 that you spend, you get to choose something for free that's in the Celebration catalog. There's also a level 2, where if you spend $100, you can get a level 2 item, or you can get 2 level 1 items. So I think that's cool. The other great thing about Celebration is they have the join up special. So if you wanted to be on my team, then it's only $99. You get $125 worth of product, and you can choose this guy, because as a demonstrator, we get to order in advance. So we are ordering this now. So that could be one of your Celebration join specials. And then you still get 5 packets of designer series paper that is special for demonstrators who join during Celebration. So I did not join during Celebration this year because I've been a demonstrator for quite a while, which means I am out of luck and could not get that paper because I forgot to order it during our pre-sale for the Celebration. So I know I've given you a lot of information, but I like to share with you. I consider you my friends, and I just enjoy what you guys give to me. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.